Hey friend, it's Masterclass Monday. Today we're mastering the easiest way to achieve flawless skin with underpainting. Forget the usual order. In this technique, you contour, highlight, and blush first, then apply foundation on top. This creates a supernatural look where your features subtly peek through, and it's way faster since you don't have to worry about perfectly blending any harsh lines. So first I used my NARS concealer to cover up the fact that I woke up at 4 a.m. Then I used the Laura Mercier concealer in a shade lighter as my highlight and applying it to the areas I want lifted and brighter, usually the center of my face, so I can look 16 again, and being awake at 4 a.m. was just fun and not meant to be productive. Now going in with the Fenty contour stick, I carve out my cheekbones because my face was particularly swollen this day. The way I contour my face depends on the week, if you know what I mean. This week I had some extra cheek, so I dragged my contour down to slim my face. Don't stress about blending seamlessly yet. The next part is where everything comes together. With the Patrick Ta foundation, taking the smallest drop on a fluffy brush, swirl it over your face and blending the contour and highlight together. In this method, you would need just the smallest amount. Really focus it on the areas where there wasn't any highlight or contour. And at this point I realized I forgot to add my liquid blush, so I'm quickly adding the Giorgio Armani cheek tint and blending it and forgetting that ever happened. Now you can skip this last step if you'd like, but I like to set everything with powders because it helps blur the skin and allows my makeup to stay on for 15 hours. To make it last, I use the One Size setting powder and the One Size powder foundation. And that is how you master the underpainting technique. Come back tomorrow for Trendy Tuesday and spice things up with the cinnamon roll makeup tutorial. See you then!